Morning mga kabikers. Papunta tayo ng Balatan mga kabikers. Medyo matagal na tayong hindi nakapag-ride. Mula nung nabaha tayo mga kabikers nung Oktubre, hindi na tayo nakapag-rides kasi nagre-recover tayo mga kabikers. Ang daming mga damage na ating naranasan pagkatapos ng baha. Lahat ng gamit natin mga kabikers puro basa. Buti na lang may iba pang gumana. Bangon lang tayo mga kabikers. Mukhang solo ride ako nito mga kabikers kasi yung mga kasama ko hindi nag-reply. Baka ayaw sumama, baka mga busy yun. Ang Balatan mga kabikers galing ng Iriga City, almost 35 kilometers din yan. Tapos dami pang mga ahon, kaya very challenging talaga itong biyahe natin. 1 year na kasi hindi na tayo nakapunta ng Balatan mga kabikers, kaya puntahan na naman natin.
Changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and I won't look back ever again. Yeah, you ain't see me activated, you better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated.
Nakasimba ka nandyan, master?
That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated.
Kita ba? Kita. Kala ko di kayo makikita eh.
My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel like
Yun mga kabikers, Pabalatan na tayo, tanghali na 7:28. Andun yung kasama natin, no? Yung dalawa, si Kuya Ramil at saka Master Boom.
Persistence and obsession, that's how you keep progressing. I already
Nirba na tayo mga kabikers. Palengke day sa Nirba. Ahon na naman 5.5, 6.4, 6.4. Iyon o, ganda. Malamig dito mga kabikers. Malamig na malamig. Iyon o, ito na ang sitwasyon natin ngayon. May mga na-landslide. Nilagyan nila ng riprap. Riprap ba tawag nito kuya? Riprap. Landslide talaga to, no? Kung malakas-lakas talang ulan, no? Oo. Iyan, no?
Wow.
Mga malakas umahon. Hal, naman. Ano, gusto mo? Kapanpanan? Malapit na. Dito tayo. Para saan yan? Hanapin na lang natin. Tara. Tara. Kasi yan, ang labas niyan malawag. Ang hali na eh. Okay. Change plan mga kabikers. Hindi na magbalatan. Kasi tanghali na daw. Iyan o. Palusong. Palusong mga kabikers.
I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving.
First time tayong makadaan dito mga kabikers. Hindi natin alam kung anong lusot nito.
Can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision and purpose.
Saan kayo ito pupunta, master? Malawag. Pwede.
Like the patient last, if you can move on and past the things that make you feel bad, and you can change in your brain.
Kung pabalik pala dito kuya, ang grabing ahon.
Mahaba nung ahon. Nakakalahati pangalan tayo.
I've done it before and man I'm not perfect. I'm changing who I am. I'm making
Yan ah.
a plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need.
Oh, balik na lang tayo pagdating sa Malawag.
Better day. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror. So foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me. Honestly, I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything. So I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, to be a better me. I don't think that my head's all straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I see.
Grabing balusog mga kabigers. Punta ito ng Malawag.
I think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. 'Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be
Yan ah. Bumig.
how to get there, glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need
Maiksi lang to. Baka nasa 12. Yan oh. Bawi ng lusong. 12. 12, 13. 13%. 13 lang naman master. Easy. Easy lang yun master yung 13%. Pag balik tayo pala nito, mamulubin tayo dun sa mahabang kulusong. Lawit ka talaga yung dila mo kuya pagdating sa'yo eh.
Tapos ahon ko pa dun sa sa may simbahan, no?
Oo. Ganda ah. Yun oh.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away, but I've known you too long.
Yun oh. Grabing ganda ah.
Bawi naman tayo. Pero pag ano ulit, balikan natin to. Papasok naman tayo pabalik. Pag na-recover na. Hingal ako dyan.
Si kuya may pakana kasi nito eh oh.
Dalawang beses ko na inulit. Sabi ko pangatlo hindi na ako mabalik.
Pangatlo, may dala na kang sama para mambubudol ka na dyan pala.
Kaya nga, ang ano niyan dapat marami para.
To watch your blue eyes fade to gray
Aba yun eh.
as you fade away,
Lusog na pag
as
ano,
you fade away.
Kasi nga nabitin ako noon, naglakad ako. Kung nasa kalagitnaan na ako. Masarap rin bakan.
San Francisco, Balatan, Pumalawag Road.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same.
Wala, patag na to eh. Kita na yung mga palayan. Yan, malawag, high school. Malawag na pala. Patag na, pag malawag na, patag na yun eh. Maiksi lang naman na may master. Ahoy na yun.
Lusok palusok yun. Hindi ko makakatin mo yun.
Kaya nga maiksi lang yun eh. Easy lang yun, easy. Hindi yun makaasagad sa likod mo.
Easy for you.
Hindi yun makasagad nga sa likod mo, master.
Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to
Yun o. Ganda ng mga palayan ha.
Grabe yung lumaki dito. Mula dyan hanggang doon sa
stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend
Lawak ng mga palayan.
you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you
Mga tanawin ating makikita. What? Ganda mga kabikers ha. Kita ba dyan? Kitang kita, walang daya. Ano?
Think I need help. I'm going through hell. I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like
Ganda ng daanan ito mga kabikers. Simentado na. Nung una nating daan dito dati, grabing lubak pa to. Ngayon ang ganda na. Iyan na. Hihirang kita, walang daya. Diba? Ganda mga kabikers. Kitang kita, walang daya. Tuduhan natin mga kabikers. Sagad natin. Hindi ako makaminti ng 30. Hingal na. Bigat na pala yung 30. Oh my god. Yan o. Tulay.
I felt my mind overwhelmed. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless.
Yan o mga kabikers. Tulay is real. Nagmisto lang dagat itong mga kabikers nung time na malaki yung baha during the Typhoon Christine. Grabe yung lakas ng baha dito.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Yan o, kita ba yung Mount Iriga mga kabikers? Nabalutan yan ng ulap. Hindi pa humupa yung baha mga kabikers. Yun o, malaki pa rin. Pag wala kasing baha dito, wala namang masyadong tubig na makikita. Pati dito, palayan dyan dati eh. Ngayon, tubig na. Yan o. Ganda ng tulay. Sarap.
Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Apa pala dito mga kabikers ang baha.
Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue.
Dito talaga, di talaga ito madaanan dito kuya.
Diyan, malalim. Dito nga yung malalim ng tubig. Kasi habaw pa dito. Kaya maganda mo yung makadaan ng kanila na may mga kakawayan. Sementado din yung daan.
Pwede na yun, madaanan natin, hindi natin mag-highway.
Ang highway. Oo. Para shortcut.
Dito pala yung tapon ng tubig sa Romel.
Oo.
Dito malalim din dito.
Tingnan mo yung marker, tumumbo. Dito kasi yung agos yung galing dyan sa lake ng bato. Lahat papunta na dito ng